Hi, hello. These are some of my favorite crosshairs in Valorant. Now, you don't want anything looking too crazy, but these are some that I think work pretty well. So this is one we're gonna be using some outlines on here. I don't like to go for the full outline. I generally just do like halfway. I got this idea from watching like I think it was Ethan's crosshair or something like that. But yeah, this one's 1 2 3 2. It looks a little bit like a box like this. I think I learned this one from Aproto initially, and I was like, that looks pretty cool. So I started using it myself. I like this one. This one's the one I'm using currently. You can also spread it out more if you want. I don't know. I like it a little bit closer, but you know, it's all your preference. Some people like them big, some people like them small, some people like them wide, some people like them skinny. This is a good crosshair. This one's 1422. A lot of people use this one. This one's very common. It's pretty good crosshair. There are really no problems with it at all. You can also make it tinier and do 1222. This one works out okay. I think that this one's kind of cute. Generally, when I do crosshairs this small, I use outlines because I think it looks better, but it really doesn't matter what color you use. It's really all preference. Some people use white, some people use yellow, some people use green. Generally, whatever I use, I like to use outlines just because I think it makes it stand out more. But you know, if you want to use the good old dot crosshair, you can do that. I think it works better with 3 thickness, but yeah, now you can see the little right there. It looks pretty good. I'm not a dot guy, but some people love dot crosshairs. You know, give it a look. I think I saw Hiko using this crosshair once. This one was kind of cool. This is 1210. It's kind of similar to a dot crosshair in a lot of ways, but I don't know. It's all right. Anyway, that's going to do it for this guy, guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below. Also, don't forget to check out our Patreon in the description as well. And I'll see you in the next video.